Oh boy, it's a mess in here. But we're going to show you how to change the faucet in the bathroom. Little steep. Hey, welcome to Bigfoot Camper Replace Bathroom Shower Faucet video.
Yep.
So this kind of started with me wanted to take out this dinette here and possibly put a jackknife sofa in. Well, that's not going to happen. But in the middle of it, we discovered Rick took off this panel here, and that's how he's going to get access to the shower handles to replace it. So, I found this. We can link it for you. This little doohickey here. And we're going to attempt to show you how he's going to replace it. So, here's the access. And they're way up there. So, let's wish Rick some luck. And hopefully he has some good contortion skills.
Okay, so we're changing this out because one, it's ugly. Two, it's probably going to break. Because the one that was in here, I turned the knob when we first got it and it broke right off. So I don't want to be taking a shower with it spraying all over me. First we take off this. Probably be some water come out. Oh, good. Now we have to go behind and undo it all. Alright, so now we're going to take off the hoses way the heck up in there. Hopefully my arms will reach. They should. Okay, so the hoses are off. Now we just gotta take those, I guess they call them nuts, take them off, and then the faucet will come out. Okay, we come back in here. Now we're gonna pull it off. It should just pull right off. Of course, it probably has some kind of sealant goo. Oh, see that? Pieces are already breaking off. It's a good thing we're changing. Oh, yeah. This stuff gets old and brittle. Yep. Good thing we changed it. And then that will come off, and we'll put the new one on. So I came back because I want to show you how bad this thing is. It's literally just breaking off like chalk. It's so bad. So I want to get some better tools to like kind of scrape it off. Okay. Now I'm going to use a putty knife and try not to wreck anything. So this is my left hand, so I'm going to turn off the camera so I can pay full attention to it. Okay, so I have some of this I don't know if they call it butyl tape or plumber's tape or whatever, but it seems like Bigfoot uses it. That's what they had on the original one, so I went ahead and put some on here. And I think that's all I'm going to use, because I just basically got to fill the holes so that water doesn't go through the holes. It's probably going to go into here anyway, because like all this isn't really sealed. And so we'll try it out, see what happens. Okay, everything's tightened up in the back. Now we just got to put the hose back on. So make sure it's turned off, and I'll go turn the water on. Okay, now's the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Wow, isn't that amazing? So here we are. We're going to look up in here, see if it's leaking or not. I think it looks good. By the way, I changed out the sink when I first got it, and I didn't know how to do it. And I found out later that people are saying take off the outside shower, which is right there. And you somehow reach way over there and up into it to get to it. I don't know. But maybe at least you can reach up to the drain, because the drain was the main part I couldn't get to when you lift the sink up.
Oh, wow. That is sharp looking. That really modernized this place. Looking good.
All right, so we changed out the faucet. It's definitely a do-it-yourself project. We weren't originally going to do it, but when we stumbled upon the open cavity and how easy it would be to do it, we thought we'd do it, and I'm glad we did, because you saw how bad the old faucet was. Just it's a little tight in there, but you can see I've got some decent sized arms, and I could reach in there no problem and do it. So don't worry about doing it yourself. It's pretty easy.